Office of the Manager Government Cattle Demonstration Farm, Manja in collaboration with Kirby Farmers Association organized training on scientific cattle rearing and management and livestock management on 10th of August 2022. Assam Chief Ministers to meet Mizoram CM in Delhi to resolve border dispute. Office of the Manager Government Cattle Demonstration Firm Manja in collaboration with Kirby Farmers Association organized training on scientific cattle rearing and management and livestock management on 10th of August 2022. The training was held at Paklongkam Kirby Farmer Association's meeting hall. The training program was attended by Dr. Anthony Phangcho of Manager Government Cattle Demonstration Firm Manja. Dr. Larsika Hansepi of Manager Government Fodder Farm Manja were present in the training. Tinku Ingti, CAC President of Kirby Farmer Association, Saron Singh Rongpi GS, Samson Togbi AGS, Longki Tiso Finance Secretary, Sonjit Ingti Office Secretary, and Paklongkam KFA Branch, Mohan Ingti President also took part in the livestock training. In the program, the scientific rearing of cattle as well as its fooding was trained to the farmers attended the training. Many locals and farmers from different parts of Kirby Anglong attended for this fruitful training. News Text Report, Kirby Daily News. Mizoram and Assam will hold Chief Minister level talks in New Delhi later this month or early September to find an amicable solution to the interstate border dispute, according to an official statement issued here on Wednesday. Two Assam ministers, Atul Bora and Ashok Singhal, on Wednesday, Lasso has met Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga and discussed the border issue. During the meeting with Assam ministers, Mr. Zoramthanga spoke to his counterpart in the neighboring state, Himanta Biswa Sarma, and both agreed to have Chief Minister level talks in Delhi in the last part of August or early September. Assam Chief Minister said they have strong faith in Mr. Zoramthanga, who has vast political experience. They assure Mr. Zoramthanga that the Assam government will take steps to resolve the border dispute in such a manner which is acceptable to the people of both states. On the other hand, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday also said that his government will hold talks with Assam to resolve the remaining 6 areas of dispute at the interstate border after August 15. Speaking to reporters, Sangma said he met Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in New Delhi on the sidelines of the Niti Aayog meeting last weekend and held a detailed discussions on the issue. Jameson Teron, report on border disputes, Kirby Daily News.